welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing fine. So those of you who are seeing this face for the first time, hi guys, my name is Darshana Bashar and please do take a moment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I generally make videos on fashion, lifestyle, travel and many more, and I'm sure you're gonna love it here. Also don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you get updated whenever I upload a new video. So as you all know from today's title, today's video is going to be a Myntra haul video. After a long time I am doing a haul video and this is going to be a mixed haul video क्योंकि मैंने बहुत सारे कपड़े ऑर्डर किया है from different categories. So those of you are interested, please do keep on watching this video till the end. So guys, let's begin with today's haul. So starting off with a very cute dress. Guys, this dress is from Berry Lush and this is so cute. You can see the print which is going on all over the dress. Guys, ये दिन में पहनने के लिए बहुत appropriate है. You just have to wear this dress with your sneakers and you are good to go. As you can see, these straps are given here and you need to tie it accordingly. So it is good. मुझे अच्छा लगता है जब मैं खुद adjust कर सकती हूँ कि मुझे कितना deep चाहिए, कितना ऊपर चाहिए. And नीचे you will get a little cut. So overall this dress is very cute and I got it in a very good deal from Myntra. I guess ये almost 400 का मुझे पड़ा होगा ये dress and ये मैंने medium size में order किया है guys. And I guess you need to size up for this dress. As you can see, the material is not at all stretchable. And you will also get a chain at the back so that you can adjust wherever you want. So overall this dress is very cute and I just can't wait to wear this outside. And this dress is going to be appropriate for some picnic or just for summers when you want to chill out with your girls. And this is the best dress guys. And yeah, and इसमें बहुत सारे color options भी available था, but I got it in this color. So guys, now let's move on to our next item. And guys, मैंने अपना बाल tie कर लिया because it is so much hot here. Next is this very beautiful white colored pants. I wanted white color pants since a very long time and मैंने बहुत ढूंढा. So finally I got the one which I wanted and इसका fit and everything is so amazing guys. This is a high waisted jeans and the material is also very nice guys. And this is in the size 26 for me and ये मुझे बहुत अच्छे से fit हो जाता है, काफ़ी अच्छे से मुझे ये फिट हो गया है. एंड और मैंने ये पैंट्स एक बार पहना भी था और बहुत अच्छा इसका मटेरियल है. आई जस्ट लव द वाइट लेग जीन्स क्योंकि बहुत दिन से मैं ढूंढ रही थी और फाइनली आई गॉट इट. एंड ओवरऑल दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड जीन्स. अगर हम लोग जीन्स खरीदते हैं और इसका फिटिंग अच्छा नहीं होता है स्पेशली इन दिस पार्ट देन इट लुक्स वेरी बैड, बट दिस वन इज़ अमेजिंग गाइज. इफ़ यू आर सर्चिंग फॉर अ वाइट जीन्स देन डेफिनेटली आई रिकमेंड यू दैट यू गो फॉर दिस वन. एंड द फिटिंग ऑफ दिस जीन्स इज़ just amazing. It's like a dream and ये jeans आप किसी भी कपड़े के साथ स्टाइल कर लो and you are going to look amazing guys. So yeah, I just love this one. This is one of my favorite from this haul. So now let's move on to our next item. So next I have a t-shirt and इतनी गर्मी में I guess t-shirt is the best which you can wear. मतलब मैं तो t-shirt ही पहनती हूँ जब मैं बाहर जाती हूँ, especially when you're going to market and all. Then I guess t-shirt is something which you need to have. And this is the t-shirt. This is from the brand Dressberry and ये मैंने size medium में order किया है. I generally prefer baggy t-shirts पर ये इतना baggy नहीं है. ये somewhat this is loose for me but I like it more baggy. This is in navy blue and I really like the text which is written over the t-shirt, limitless, and the color is complementing each other. The neon color and the navy blue is really complementing each other. I really like it but I hope कि थोड़ा ज़्यादा अगर loose होता then I guess it would be more nice. And yeah, if you want to order this t-shirt I guess you should size up for this one. I guess अगर मैं L size में लेती तो ये issue मुझे मेरे साथ नहीं होता. इसका material is very thin guys, बहुत thin है. I guess as you can see it is really very thin. And but yeah, for summers it is like appropriate. Yeah, अगर आपको पास में कहीं पे जाना है then you can definitely order this t-shirt and this was very cheap guys. It was around 200 or so. So yeah, I really like. Moving on to our next item guys. So I have this very cute white colored t-shirt from H&M because I guess basic tops are the most necessary things which we need to have क्योंकि इसको आप कैसे भी style कर सकते हो. You can style it up or style it down accordingly. Well, as you can see the cami tops are so much in trend. आप किसी भी shirt के ऊपर एक cami top डाल लो and you are going to look awesome. And this is in the rib material as you can see. Yeah, and this is a bit transparent. If you wear a nice undergarment like a nice bra with it then I don't think so this is going to be a any problem. You can wear this with your jeans or shorts or anything, and you are definitely going to rock in this t-shirt, guys. And I was looking for this kind of t-shirt since a very long time, and finally I found it in Myntra. This is for 400, guys, but I got it around 250 or something, so I guess it's a good deal. Guys, don't worry, I'll provide the link of everything which I got in the description box to check it out, guys. So guys, before moving forward, let me share with you my skin routine. So recently I've been using this face wash from TAC, the Ayurveda Core, and this is such a great face wash, guys. Along with the face wash, I also use my scrub from the same brand, and the sunscreen whenever I have to step outside of the house. So currently I'm using their face wash, their sunscreen and the scrub, and I'm loving these products, guys. So अगर आपका face में कोई pimple, acne कुछ नहीं है, and if you want to refresh your skin, then just take few drops of the face wash and just rub it off with water. और अच्छे से आप अपने फेस को वॉश कर लो इस फेस वाश से, एंड देन यू विल फील सो रिफ्रेश, गाइस. सो जब भी मैं बाहर से आती हूँ देन आई जनरली यूज़ दिस फेस वॉश एंड द स्क्रब. ये स्क्रब मैं वीक में 1 या 2 बार यूज़ करती हूँ. यू कैन सी द कंसिस्टेंसी, इसका टेक्सचर बहुत अच्छा है, गाइस. सो इस स्क्रब से आप अपने फेस को अच्छे से वॉश कर लो, एंड इट हेल्प्स टू रिमूव ऑल द डर्ट इन योर फेस एंड स्पेशली ब्लैक हेड्स अगर आपके पास हो तो. एंड देन आई यूज़ द सनस्क्रीन. सनस्क्रीन मैं वैसे भी लगाती हूँ, अगर मैं घर में रहती हूँ तो भी लगाती हूँ, एंड जब वेन एवर आई स्टेप आउट. So these products are Ayurvedic and the main ingredient is Kumkumadi, and these products are sulfate free, paraben free and is suitable for all types of skin. And सबसे अच्छा बात है that these products are 100% vegan and they are also certified. They are ISO certified company. If you want to order these products, then all the links of these products are provided in the description box. You can also buy these products from Amazon and Flipkart. So next I got a kurti because in the summers I really prefer to wear kurtis when I go just outside. Kurtis are the best क्योंकि ये बहुत ढीली होती है, so I just love kurtis. And I got this kurti, and this kurti is from the brand Anok, and I really love this color. The pop-up color orange और blue is such a great combination, so मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. This is a simple kurti and yeah, I really love this kurti, and इसका fitting is also amazing. This is in the size S and this fits me amazing, guys. ये generally office wear या फिर अगर आपको college going students हो, then yeah, definitely then I guess ऐसा kurtis होना चाहिए because the material is very nice, guys. This is a mixture of cotton, really good for summers. आपको ज़्यादा गर्मी नहीं लगेगी. So yes, I really love this kurta, and you can style this kurta with your jeans or with any leggings and you are going to look amazing, guys. Moving on to the last product of our haul, which is this kurti set. So this is a 3-piece set. You will get a kurta and a dupatta and also a palazzo in this set. And I really love this kurta, guys. And मुझे blue color तो वैसे भी पसंद है, और and I mostly have kurtas in blue color only. I don't know why every time I end up getting kurtas in blue color. And yeah, this is amazing, guys. I really love this. And पीछे आपके यहाँ पे एक डोरी भी दिया हुआ है which you can tie. And yeah, the back is a little bit deep, not too much. And these are the pants, guys. The pants are also amazing. ऊपर आप लोग को ऐसे इलास्टिक मिल जाएगा, and the same print is going on all over the kurta and also the palazzo. The kurta and palazzo are same. The dupatta is a little different, as you can see. ये white में है, and yeah, the same flowers are going on all over. And this dupatta is also quite nice. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि छोटा सा दुपट्टा दे दिया आपको. It is quite huge, I must say. मतलब प्रॉपर जो 2x2 का दुपट्टा होता है वैसा है. अगर पूजा हो या फिर ऑफिस वगैरह के लिए जाना पड़े या फिर any small function, then you can wear this kind of kurta. So guys, that was it for my Myntra haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll be coming up with new videos. And also do comment down which was your favorite among these. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. We'll meet soon again in our next video. Take care. Bye, guys.